VCM 710 camshaft from the guys over at VCM Performance. So really good camshaft. We get a lot of requests of people wanting us to do a video and sound clip and so on of them. So here we are, VZ Monaro GTO. Awesome car, beautiful, absolutely love these things. So as you can see, it's got the VCM Performance plastic OTR on there, and we've also chosen to use the Blackwell Racing CNC cylinder heads and BTR trunnion upgrade as well. And power wise, let's have a look. 315 kilowatts at the hubs, 502 Newton meters at the hubs. So as you can see, the power line, so this camshaft, it's on a 110 lobe separation, and you can see it wants the RPM. So we're pretty much rolling over at around 6,800 revs, and peak torque is at around 5,000 revs and holds peak to about 5,800. Once you roll it on and you start it, it's around 400 Newton meters from 2,000 revs. And as you can see, then it climbs to a peak of like 5,000 revs for peak torque. So this is a really good camshaft, and in the sense of, depending on how you're using it, and you'll probably say to yourself, well, I only made 500 Newton meters. Now this camshaft, the profile in it is more so suited to a high RPM, so I would say circuit sort of track style racing, you know, sort of tarmac sort of stuff, where you're going to hold the engine up in the higher rev ranges and you're not too concerned about the lower end of the rev range. Would I recommend it for a street car? Look, it works well, and it really comes down to personal preference as to what you like from the camshaft. Some people like them to be a little bit lazy in the bottom and peak in the top, and some people like it the complete other way. So it really depends. So if you were to use a smaller camshaft, no doubt it would make slightly more torque. That's only natural because it's going to make more power early in the rev range, and in order to make more torque, you have to make more power lower in the rev range. So you know, that's where it's not always about the torque numbers. You know, kilowatts or horsepower is what makes the car fast. Torque is obviously what pulls trees down. So if you want to be fast in the top end, you want to make more horsepower as opposed to torque. But if you want it to be stronger and sharper off the bottom, then you obviously want to produce torque. So, you know, you as the customer, it really depends on what you want. And this is why you should always have the conversation with your workshop. Don't be like everyone out there. Sorry, I can't tarnish everybody. There's a lot of people who love to go out there and just buy parts. They love to fill their boot up with parts, drop it off to a workshop, say, hey, put all these parts in my car. And the problem is half of the time they don't even know what they're buying. So it's really, really important. Talk to your workshop before you do anything. Tell them what you want, tell them what you want to do. Let them source the parts for you. Let them get the parts they want to suit your application. Unless you absolutely know the ins and outs of what you want and completely understand, you know, the effect of all the parts that you're going to use, just let the workshop do it. Because, look, there's a lot of workshops out there who don't know what they're doing. Yes, I understand it, but you know, if you do your research and you go to a good workshop who knows what they're doing, they'll be able to build you exactly what you want. Customer, in this case, he came to us, he wanted the VCM 10 camshaft. It's probably not what I would recommend based on what I think he's going to drive, but he already knew what he wanted. So we stuck with that, and this is what he's going to, and this is what we've used, obviously. And you know, it's a really good thing. It works really well. Strong RPM, strong in the top. You know, you want to rev it, it's going to sing for days. Like, it's a really, really good camshaft. So yeah, I'm not knocking it in any way. Like, Mario and the team down at VCM Performance have been doing great stuff for years, and their products are top-notch, top-quality products. So this is more of a case of, you know, where you would use this camshaft and where you wouldn't use this camshaft and so on. You know, if you had a car and you were planning on towing a trailer and you wanted to make torque down low, no, this isn't the cam for you. If you want something you're going to use around a circuit track, or even drag racing for that matter, and absolutely this is the cam for you. If you want to rev it, this is the cam. It makes good mid-range power, but it's strong in the top end. But yeah, you know, you get the idea. Like, it's a good cam. So, but anyway, guys, there's your VCM 710 camshaft. Sounds great. They sound absolute horn. They've got an awesome chop, which is the 110 lobe separation. Just sounds absolutely fantastic, and you know, it makes the power to punch. So customer's going to be really happy with it, and anybody who buys this cam, they are going to be happy with it no matter what. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll obviously see you on the next one. Catch ya.